Good morning. Myself Seema Sharma, Assistant Professor in Sagar Institute of Research Technology and Science Pharmacy. Today, I'm going to take a lecture on a topic RAAS system of subject pharmacology to fifth semester. Let's start with RAAS. What is RAAS? RAAS is Renin, Angiotensin, Aldosterone system. RAAS is a system that is activated in the body by decrease in arterial pressure. What did it say? RAAS is activated when the arterial pressure in the body is going to decrease. And upon activation, it produces some responses that tries to increase arterial pressure to normal. When it activates, when RAAS system is activated, it produces some responses which increase the pressure, arterial pressure to normal. First is Renin. Renin is an enzyme secreted by juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney into bloodstream. This is a diagram which are showing how Renin system is released and how RAAS system is activated and how it's converted into angiotensin 1 and angiotensin 2. First of all, in kidney, Renin is released from juxtamedullary cells. When Renin is released, it goes to acts as an anti-angiotensin, and angiotensin is present in the liver. When renin is released from the kidney, it converts angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 is it acts on the to form angiotensin. And next, angiotensin 1 is converted into angiotensin 2 by the help of the ACE. ACE is present, released from the lungs. What are ACE? ACE are angiotensin converting enzyme. These are the enzymes which helps to convert angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2. Okay. And then angiotensin 2 helps and also acts directly on blood vessel, which stimulates vasoconstriction. What it is doing, angiotensin helps to act on the blood vessel, like angiotensin to constrict the blood vessels, which help to stimulate the blood pressure. And these angiotensin help also act on the adrenal gland to stimulate the release of the aldosterone. Okay? And what this aldosterone is doing, aldosterone acts on the kidney to stimulate reabsorption of the salt and water. These are the different various parts of the body, the organs which help to convert and which helps to stimulate the blood pressure of the system by the help of RAAS, Renin, Angiotensin, Aldosterone system. Now, in the next slide, we are discussing individually that Renin, ACE, aldosterones, what they are doing in RAAS system. As we already discussed in our previous slide, Renin is an enzyme secreted by juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney into bloodstream. It is synthesized as pre-pro hormone known as human pre-prorenin, which has little or no biological activity. Prorenin is converted into renin in kidneys, and it can also be secreted by other organs such as ovaries. The function of the renin is to convert angiotensinogen to angiotensin. Renin, the main function of the renin is to convert angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1. Angiotensinogen is present in the liver. Next is angiotensinogen. It is synthesized in the liver and is removed in endoplasmic reticulum. Next, its circulating angiotensinogens can be found in plasma. Next is ACE. ACE is angiotensin converting enzyme, which converts angiotensinogen 1 to angiotensin 2. It is an enzyme located in endothelial cells, and much of the conversion occurs as blood pass through the lungs. And the conversion can also occur in any other of the parts. It also acts other parts of the body, which also helps to convert the angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2. Next is the mechanism of the RAAS system. It is a system that regulates arterial pressure by regulating blood volume. The system is hormonally mediated, and reduction in arterial pressure leads to decrease in the renal perfusion pressure. Like uh, as long as arterial pressure going to reduce, it also helps to decrease the renal perfusion pressure, which helps to control the total blood flow of the body. The decrease in arterial pressure causes prorenin to be converted to renin. As like arterial pressure, it's reducing, and it also reduces perfusion pressure. And when arterial pressure is going to decrease, it causes prorenin to be converted to renin, and renin which start the conversion of the system. Next is in plasma renin, it catalyzes conversion of angiotensin 2 to angiotensin 1 as mentioned earlier. Angiotensin 1 is converted to angiotensin 2 in lungs and kidneys. As the reaction is catalyzed by enzyme is functions of angiotensin 2 acts on the adrenal cortex to stimulate synthesis and secretion of the aldosterone. Aldosterone increase sodium ion reabsorption as it acts on the principal cell of the renal distal tubule and collecting dirt. Water flow, it also helps to also helps in water flow sodium reabsorption through osmosis, hence it increases the blood volume. Angiotensin 2 is a potent vasoconstrictor and acts directly on the arterioles to cause vasoconstriction. It produces increase in the total peripheral distance, hence increase in the arterial pressure. So also it acts on the hypothalamus to increase thirst and water intake. As stimulation, secretion of antidiuretic hormone increases water reabsorption in collecting ducts. Thank you.